got the bones. This is all the extruded aluminum. Well, most of it. I don't know if we'll need to order more or not, but this is all going in our van. Today, the next couple days probably, we're going to be working on the bridges, right?
The bridges that go over the wheel wells that hold electrical system, batteries.
Yep.
Water heater.
The important stuff.
The professor's going in.
The first bridge going in. Look at that behemoth. I cannot even. That's insane.
When you consider what this is holding, and it's, oh, I think it's like a dead-on exact fit.
This is the big one that's going to have the battery, the inverter, solar controller, all the heavy electronic stuff.
Yeah, the heaviest stuff. Oh my God.
So
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
this will store all the power stuff.
Yeah.
Battery, inverter, everything. But this is all storage. There'll be stuff on top, but not under here. Like
Love it.
6 packs of soda.
Yeah, right. That's the test. Get up there, Dave.
What are you, about 180?
175.
Wow. I'm impressed. It's
Well,
pretty.
I'm the same weight as the battery. Which
Okay.
Sit right here.
Wow. It's not going anywhere.
Oh no. That's what all guys say when they build something. That's not going anywhere.
George's middle name is Overkill.
It is.
But it's not just the weight of the battery. It's the fact that the battery and all the components are mobile
Right.
on rough roads and moving and shifting, and you want that to be as solid as it was on the floor, otherwise don't do it.
And then how is this attached
There's an aesthetic quality.
to the van?
So
It is
here's-
kind of sexy.
Here's how this goes. We're going to
Yeah.
be drilling down through the floor into our aluminum substructure
Yep.
because we've got a beam under each of our pressure points.
Oh, clever.
Right? Remember
Okay.
that?
Yep.
We're going to screw
Mhm.
right into them. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add spacers down there and here. And then now the fridge module
We'll connect.
locks onto this one.
Okay.
They are separate though. But the fridge locks onto this, then that's bolted here. It's just, you can roll the van and nothing's gonna move.
We won't try that, but if it were to happen,
It'll be on video.
It would be a really
Yeah.
good marketing move if you really want to.
it would be good for you, yeah, wouldn't it? Wow.
It's a beauty.
It's kind of sexy.
It really is.
Simple,
Yep.
just the minimal amount needed.
Good looking bones. It's happening. We're seeing if everything's gonna fit. Got battery.
This won't be here.
Yeah, that won't be there. That might be there. His bike's gonna be there. And now we are working on the bed frame. So we're gonna be drilling holes into this angle iron.
Angle aluminum.
Angle aluminum.
1/4 inch angle aluminum. That'll be bolted to this wall, and then 1.5 inch 80/20 is going to be coming across.
Like the frame.
Yeah.
Bed frame is going in. We got heavy mass vinyl, which is doing what, George?
That is a thermal break.
So
when the heat or the cold permeates through the chassis of the van, it will stop at this mass vinyl. It won't continue to heat up our aluminum
Okay.
skeletal system.
We've got a bedroom experiment happening right now. It looks like it's gonna be awesome.
It's a great balance between a garage is big enough to hold the things we want it to hold, and not an inch, not a half inch more. It's just a tight fit to put everything in there, which gives us after our ceiling insulation and cover. I
Yeah.
can sit up, and this
is the bed frame, and this is 6 inches, which is what our mattress is.
But our mattress won't be this firm, so
It won't.
You'll be actually be lower than this.
On top of here, we're gonna do 5 of these aluminum supports, and then on top of that, we're gonna have slats, and then our mattress.
Either slats or some sort of plywood that's got some holes in it. I haven't decided yet how I want to do that for sure, but I want it breathable. But the problem with the memory foam is the slats and the.
Yeah, but if we make them tight enough, it should
make
be
them
fine.
tight enough. But anyway, there'll be something between.
We'll have to
them.
get back to you on that. You have to wait and see. Oh, here comes another support.
Like a glove.
Did you expect anything less? No. Look at that. The beginnings of our bed.
Nice. Very nice.
What's the next step?
For the bed, once we measure it and space it correctly, we've got to drill holes to lock this to the angle on it,
Oh, okay.
on each end.
Mm-hmm.
And then we come underneath and we put our legs down. We're gonna have 2 sets of legs supporting each one of these, so this bed won't flex, no matter what you do.
It's hot.
This humidity is not doing very good things with my beard.
I feel like I'm not very pleasant to be around. Everything's sticky. I just showered and I'm sticky. We're headed to Cape May, New Jersey today because Humble Road B van number 1 is back to the shop. The new owner took it out for a spin. She's back getting some tweaks, and then she'll be headed to her home in a couple days. So we're going to take this opportunity to go down to Cape May.
I've been dying to go to Cape May. It's only a couple hours from here, and the only other time I've been in New Jersey was in boot camp for the Coast Guard in 1986, and didn't do a lot of sightseeing, just push-ups. So I just want to go back to Cape May. I hear it's a pretty cool town. Do a drive by the training center, go to a brewery.
Yeah, so tonight I think we're headed, if you hear a lot of noises, it's hers.
There's
It's
a
her.
Harvest Host winery not too far from Cape May, so we're staying there tonight. So I've had wine from all over the U.S. and Canada. I have never had New Jersey wine.
We're gonna solve that today.
So
Right.
quick day or two trip, get out of the shop, then back at it.
Back at it. All right, let's get down there. We're not taking the parkway. I'm avoiding the parkway and adding 15 minutes to our commute. It's just not happening.
Turn the air on.
It's hot. I thought fall was here, but I was sadly mistaken. back to the shop. We've got work to do.
Yes, we do.
Cape May was fun though.
It was. It was something I was just, I couldn't stop thinking about after, you know, going to boot camp there 33 years ago next month. And it was a weird feeling being back at the gate, because I remember the feeling of being on the bus, middle of the night, the gates open and you go in, the gate closes, and it's like, oh man, what have I done? But it was cool. It was really to go see, you know, where that all happened at, and to go to the town, and it's a cool town.
Your push-ups were on point, by the way.
Yeah, I was compelled. I wonder if someone's ever estimated how many push-ups someone does in boot camp.
Oh my gosh.
Tens of thousands, but
Crazy.
I still got it.
You still got it, babe.
So anyway, we are back to the van. We've got to finish the garage floor.
Yep, that's our project for the day. I think we're gonna pull out those plywood panels, sand them down, and then glue them back in with the PL Marine glue. Same glue that we used to glue the aluminum down to the floor. And screw them in, and then
We're gonna glue and screw it.
glue and screw. It's glue and screw time, baby.
And then we're gonna get probably some. I think we decided we're gonna go with just a slate gray paint on top of the subfloor, because it's all that whole floor is gonna be not really seen because it's covered by drawers.
Yeah.
The bike slides and the garage doors. So there's some low VOC paint we can put down on that.
Yeah.
Call it a garage.
Call it a day. Yeah.
So
All right, let's do it. Let's get to work.
let's get to work.